Hey guys, it's Dave. You found Do It Yourself, Do It Right. It's Sunday. It's about 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. Got the Road Glide out. As you can see, I'm gonna pop on down to the old vintage bike meetup group down in Savannah. Didn't want to pull out one of the old bikes. It's hot. I don't plan on being down there for too long, and I don't want to take the scenic route. I'm just gonna jump on the old interstate, run down into Savannah. You know, see some of the guys, see what they brought out. Yeah, I'm gonna hook you up on the bike and take you down the interstate into Savannah and let you see some of the sights in Savannah. So here we go. Alright guys, made it downtown. There's a few bikes here. Super hot, but look at all these bikes. We got one vintage bike of the group. This is it looks like a Yamaha. And then we got a Triumph Scrambler. And then a Harley. It's a deluxe. It's got fishtails.
We're gonna get out of this hot weather.
Oh, me too. It is definitely too hot. This is a cool little sporty. This has some narrow little T-bars on there. Another nice little sporty. Oh, I think it's a 48. Typically they're labeled. And then of course that's my Road Glide. I was too lazy to bring out a vintage bike. And then we got a nice beautiful Kawasaki over here. These bikes, you know, they're the creme de la creme. These bikes are hard to find, and when you find them, they are expensive. This guy, he belongs to the vintage motorcycle group, same one I belong to. He has a couple of these Kawasaki's, and they are nice. That one's got a whole 8,000 miles on it. I think it's a 72 or a 73, and it's only got 8,000 miles on it. He's taken his bikes to a bunch of vintage shows, and you know, he really loves his Kawasaki's. I think that's the only brand that he actually owns is Kawasaki's. So that's a super nice bike. So you heard the Deluxe start up and ride off. You know, people just come and go, they stop, get a drink of water, have some coffee. You know, it's very impromptu. It's very laid back, very casual. You know, if you're in the area, if you live around Savannah or Pooler or Richmond Hill, you know, this is a cool little spot on Sunday. Right now it's super hot. This is, you know, I don't usually come down in the summertime. You know, I have a problem with hot days and drinking coffee. But in the, you know, in the fall and in the wintertime, man, this is the spot to be. You know, they get a bunch of bikes out here. Luckily, the street is under construction. You can see behind the bikes. So that makes us for a perfect parking spot for all of our bikes. So hopefully this fall, I'm not to jinx the construction people, but you know, hopefully it's this nice when the weather breaks and gets cooler. So I'm gonna go get some water, and then probably hop back on the bike and head back home because it's super hot. All right, guys, as you can see, back home, bike in the garage. I'm trying to get in the shade. Man, I wish I could explain to you how hot it is. The humidity, the heat, man, the sun is it's just baking everything. I don't know how the guy is over there doing his yard right now, but I guarantee he's probably ready for a heat stroke. But yeah, so quick little Sunday. Vintage bikes, although there was only one vintage bike there today. Usually there's a few more. I think, you know, summertime, the heat, you know, it just keeps guys away. There's, you know, right now it's like I said, man, it is just oppressive. I was sitting down at the stoplight, all that traffic, man, thought I was gonna melt. But yeah, anyways, so that's a, you know, quick little vintage bike thing, like I said, and then I kept rambling. But yeah, so if you guys like seeing these quick little videos about bikes and cars and coffee and whatever else, even though I'm not drinking coffee because it's way too damn hot for coffee, you know, let me know. Put it down in the block. You know, if you guys like it, you don't like it, you want to see more, you don't want to see more, you know, let me know. You know, I'm making videos for y'all. So anyways, you can follow me on Instagram, diydaveb. My email, diydaveb @gmail.com, and of course on Facebook. Got my Facebook group, and that's do it yourself, do it right, and you know, put your DIY projects up there. So anyways, like always, until next time, thanks a lot. Bye.